Hi guys, Himanshu here, back again with another fragrance review. Today we'll talk about a fragrance from Indian brand called Beardo. It's called Dark Side. So let's check the presentation. Very simplified packaging, normal cardboard box. Instructions are given on the sides as usual. MRP is given on the right side. It says 1500 rupees, but you can easily get in 500 to 600 rupees in the discounts. There are lots of discounts on the website for this particular fragrance. This is the bottle. Kind of reminds me of Blue de Chanel's bottle. We have done a review on that. You can check in the cards. So it's Eau de Perfume concentration. It says Eau de Perfume. You can see here. Classic bottle, not heavy cap, not magnetic. It's a normal cap. But what else can you ask in 500 rupees? Let's check the juice. Sprays a lot, which is a good thing. We talk about the smell. In the opening, you get a blast of lemon. And the lemon reminds me of the lemonade we drink in India, Nibu Pani, which is pretty amazing. This is company's take on Chanel fragrances. The bottle itself looks like Blue de Chanel. The opening smells like Allure Sport Edition Blanche. And the dry down of this smells pretty close to Allure Sport Eau Extreme. Obviously, it's a good thing for a person who is looking for everyday cologne, everyday fragrance, which will last long, which will give them compliments. It's going to get you noticed. It's going to project. It's versatile. You can wear in any occasion. You can wear in the office. You can wear in the parties. Pretty much any scenario. And it is just 500 rupees in discounts. What else do you expect? But this one is really common DNA. The dry down is similar. Personally, I'm a fan of its opening because of that lemonade, Indian lemon kind of note. I love a lot. Definitely, I'll recommend this fragrance because it's value for money. The fact that it's just 500 rupees. It doesn't smell that much synthetic. To all the youngsters out there who are looking for a cheap fragrance but they want to smell amazing, go for this fragrance, Beardo's Dark Side. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and comment down below, and do subscribe to the channel if you're new. And you can also follow me on Patreon. Thank you for watching. Live in art. Peace.